Philinvest so successful today it feels right, a Philinvest Land event in partnership with Signal and MQAA Artists Agency in Alabang, Muntinlupa. The event brought together a diverse group of speakers who highlighted the numerous benefits of home ownership with Philinvest Land.
One of our mission in Philinvest Land is to provide home ownership or access to home ownership more accessible to more Filipinos across the country. Whenever we entertain or close a deal with a client, it's not just a sale. We make it the point that it feels right for them to own a home right now.
Kapatid actor Mark Rivera was also present at the event, where he discussed the value of property investment and the significance of having a comfortable space to unwind after work.
Designing and investing is not a joke. So investing is for a long-term project for your own life and for your future family. As an actor, it's very important to create that cozy room that makes me rest. A house has to create peace and really give me energy throughout my daily routine.
Newlywed celebrity couple Cedric and Kate Juan emphasizes the significance of property ownership, highlighting its importance as they embark on a new chapter of their lives and begin to build a family of their own.
Kaya very important kung saan mo dadalhin yung pera mo. Siyempre, kailangan talaga na may meron ka matatawag na sarili mong bahay. And very important yung kasi nga, we have a kid.
I think now more than ever, it's important for us to think about what we are going to invest in, whether it's time, people, anything that can better the quality of life of our family.
Cedric Juan is also part of 51st Metro Manila Film Festival entry, Manila's Finest, marking his third consecutive appearance alongside Piolo Pascual.
I have my own entry ngayon sa Metro Manila Film Festival for third time, thank God. Title is Manila's Finest and director ay si Raymond Red. It's a period drama film and I'm part of the Philippine Constabulary. Philippine Constabulary is the group of police, paramilitary sila na directly kumukuha ng order to Malacanang.
Mga kapatid, mobile journalist Francis Rivera, we are One News.